Congratulations on making it to this video. My name is Sara and I am so glad that you finally decided to take the first step to your financial freedom. As you can see, I am filming this video from this beautiful beach here in Spain. It's very pretty here, and I just wanted to reach out and show you that I am a real person and say nice to meet you. I think it's so funny how so many people today believe that they have to suffer in silence and work a 9-to-5 job for most of their life just to get by or to be successful, and this is simply not true. Have you ever wondered why you spent 18 years of your life in a school system that never taught you anything about finances or pretty much anything beneficial to your adulthood? Well, this was done on purpose to condition us from a very young age to be able to sit in a building for 8 hours a day and not really asking any questions and just do what we are told to. This was actually designed to make us perfect employees so that we would work for the rich. Luckily, I have a solution to help you break out of this cycle. What if I told you that you could be working about 2 or 3 hours a day from home, being your own boss and earning a limitless passive income? And yes, it's limitless, and it can range anywhere from 2,000 euro or dollars a month up to more than 30,000 euros a month. And no, you don't need to invest a lot of money or to have a large following in order to be able to do it. The business model I'm referring to is called affiliate marketing. I had zero experience in the field. I didn't even know what affiliate marketing really means. So the reason I was able to start my own online business is because I learned from the right people, and now I am here to help you do the same. If you follow along with this method, you could very feasibly generate a 6-figure income for yourself. So if you are ready to take action and improve your quality of life, on the next page you are going to see a video with a guy named Dave Sharp and his team, Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is led by a group of people who are really experienced in this field and have generated hundreds of millions of dollars in commissions. They created a 15-day business builder challenge for only $7, where they teach you exactly how to start your own online business and how to be the most successful doing it. I think you are just going to love it, especially because you can receive a lot of support from everyone. They even created a whole community on Facebook where you can ask questions and you can talk to people that are in the same position as you are. So if you want to learn this the exact way that I did, you should click the button directly beneath this video and continue by watching Dave's video, where he will break it down for you a little bit more, and you can decide if you want to join from there. Good luck to you, and I can't wait to see what you accomplish. Also, feel free to reach out at any point during the challenge and ask me any questions you want. Okay, you've got this. Bye!